In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to terminate an employee in QuickBooks Online without payroll by making them inactive. If you manage your team in QuickBooks Online but don't run payroll through it, the cleanest way to handle a departure is to make the employee inactive. This keeps every historical transaction, time entry, and report intact, while removing the person from your active employee lists so they don't show up when you assign work or create new entries. You'll want to do this from a desktop browser for the clearest layout, and make sure you're signed in with a role that can manage team members, such as a company admin. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account on a desktop browser. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Team, then select Employees. This opens your roster with active employees at the top. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to quickly locate the person you need. Click the employee's name to open their profile. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right record by reviewing key details like their title or hire date. At the top right of the profile, you'll see the Action button. Click that, and from the drop-down, choose Change Status. You'll be given the option to mark the employee as inactive. Select Inactive, and when prompted, confirm the change by clicking Yes. Right away, the employee will be removed from your active employee list. They won't appear in pickers for new time activities or assignments, which helps prevent accidental use going forward. Just as important, nothing about their past data is deleted. Their historical time entries, expenses, and any other linked records remain in place, so your reports stay accurate and complete. If you ever need to review their information later, you can switch your view to include inactive employees, and their profile will still be there for reference. A couple of quick notes for context. This process is specifically for companies not using QuickBooks Online Payroll. If you do run payroll, there's a separate termination workflow inside the payroll module to ensure final pay and tax details are handled correctly. Also, changing an employee to inactive affects QuickBooks lists only. If the person had user access to your company file or connected apps, make sure your broader offboarding checklist covers access removal outside of this status change. And that's it. Quick, clean, and compliant with your record-keeping needs. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.